Good afternoon. It is Thursday, September the 2nd, 2021. My name is Dr. John Heading. I am the mayor of the city of Morro Bay. And I wanted to give our community an update on COVID-19 virus and the impacts in San Luis Obispo County. Unfortunately, we are not out of the pandemic. Things in our county and across our state and country are rapidly heating up with regard to the number of cases that we're seeing. As of the 31st of August in San Luis Obispo County, we had 25,729 cases of COVID-19. Our case rate, unfortunately, as compared to January, has gone from 44 to 46. And in between that, in the months of February and March, our case rate per 100,000 was as low as 6. So we are right back to where we were in essence in the months of December of 2020 and January of 2021. Again, as of the 31st in our county, we do have 67 people with COVID-19 in our hospitals. This is the most since January the 1st of this year. There are 20 patients in the ICU. That is the highest ever in our county. The previous high occurred in January again of 2021 with 19 patients. Just this Tuesday, unfortunately and very sadly, we've had 3 more deaths in our county, bringing our total to 284 deaths. We are stressing, or COVID-19 is stressing, the variability of our hospitals in the county to care for patients. Healthcare workers are overburdened and overloaded with capacity issues, dealing with COVID-19 patients, while trying to keep up with regular acute care patients in our hospitals. There were 600 new cases of COVID-19 in our county in just the last 4 days. Community members, I want to tell you, we are in the midst of just the worst portions of this pandemic. The sad news about this is that we have a way out, and that is with vaccinations. Unvaccinated individuals account for almost 86% of the hospitalizations in this county. Unvaccinated individuals account for almost 80% of the deaths that have occurred since vaccines have become available. And 77% of all new cases are occurring in unvaccinated people. In our county, San Luis Obispo, we have only about 60% of our population that is fully vaccinated. About 68% are partially vaccinated, receiving 1 of 2 doses of 2-dose vaccines, and 31.5% of folks are unvaccinated. That is significant. You need to know that the vaccines are safe and effective, and they work to help prevent the spread of COVID-19. The Delta variant is much more disease-producing and much more transmittable than other forms of COVID. And the Delta variant is becoming the predominant form of COVID-19 in our communities today. Case rates across our county, Paso Robles has about 5,100 cases out of the approximately 25,700 cases in the county. San Luis Obispo has 4,800 cases, and Atascadero has 2,700 cases. I tell you this to let you know that the number of cases in Morro Bay as of the 31st of August are 549 cases. Fortunately, on a per 100,000 population basis, Morro Bay remains fairly low with regard to the rate of other counties. I also want to announce, as of yesterday, Wednesday, September the 1st, the county did institute a mask mandate. That mandate requires both vaccinated and unvaccinated individuals to wear masks indoors. And that includes all public spaces, again, regardless of your vaccination status, including offices, retail stores, restaurants, bars, fitness centers, theaters, healthcare settings, government buildings, community centers, etc. We must take this virus seriously. We must prevent the transmission to our community members and friends and neighbors, and the possibility of significant disease for our loved ones. I implore you for more information to go to readyslo.org, that's READYSLO.org, to get all the information you need with regard to case rates, where to get COVID testing, the availability of COVID tests, both at urgent care centers and county clinics, but also vaccination sites and the availability of where vaccines are. And remember, for those of you that are immunocompromised, that have received 2 doses of either the Pfizer or Moderna, for now, Pfizer vaccine has been approved for a booster dose 6 months after your 2nd dose received. Moderna should be approved for that very soon, and then Johnson & Johnson should follow thereafter. Be safe and be well and be careful, and please get vaccinated.